Okay, live trading again today. Already took two trades in the PM session. Was unfortunately, or was one break even, and was one loss. So yeah, one break even trade, one loss, and then yeah, I was pretty confident with the price action. But as you can see, like, what is this? Like, I always look for like a reason, like why do we have the price action that we have? And I just look at the economic calendar because there probably be answers there, but I really can't see any real reason why we have this price action. Like we do have FOMC, but it's the FOMC meeting minutes. Like it isn't the FOMC statement, so I really don't know. Because if it was FOMC statement, then I have seen like AM sessions be like pretty choppy because of the build up of FOMC. But this is just a meeting about the previous statement, like they're just going to talk about. So it isn't really that high impactful, I would say. And then what other news? No news here. We do have a bank holiday, but yeah, I really don't think that's the reason why. Yeah, so honestly, really don't know, but yeah, still gonna be looking for bullish prices. Yo, cool. Yo, man. How's the essay going? Oh, and actually, let's put TopstepX on here. So we are holding this singular 50-minute imbalance. So from here, I'm expecting for it to just go higher again. This would be the range or the first buy side, which would be a target. Same for ES. We're also holding this 50-minute imbalance. Singular 50-minute imbalance here. Beautiful. So also holding this. So from here, I'm just expecting for this to hold and then go higher into the buy side here and the buy side there, which is yesterday's high. So yeah, let's see here. Do have a nice build up of liquidity, it does look like. So all this fell swing highs. I do have to check because I was pretty late to this. If there was an entry, there is going to be an entry if he closes above here. Does look like he has want to go. Let's go for those highs. Buy side will be here because that's already taken on ES. So that'll be right there. Don't think there's going to be forming a setup because if there will be a setup, then ES will probably take out the buy side already because it's way closer to it. Yeah, we'll see. Yo, Vito. No motivation to do it, so I'm here. Day's over for me. Nice, man. Yeah, just don't force it, I think, right? Just finish up my reference. Nice, man. Yo, Jimmy, how was your dinner? It was great, man. It was good. What did you do in the meantime, Jimmy? Look at the charts. Did anything? Just chilling. Right there. Yeah, so it's still looking pretty bullish for me, but yeah, I don't know about the session. Like it's been so choppy. It's going really slow. I made lunch. Nice, man. What did you eat? I had pasta. Ooh, ordering food. Wait, Cole, didn't you say that last time again that you were also ordering food? Like now again, same thing. I'm again, I want to order something as well. Even though I just ate. But no, today is not gonna be. No, I'm not gonna. I didn't last time, but now I won't also. Like, the only good time for me to order anything would be in the weekend. Yeah, just looking at price. Like, really, why did we have this? Really can't find a reason, but Mark can do everything at once or anything at once. There doesn't have to be a reason. What are we feeling? It's been a bad few days. Yeah, maybe like it's just like we're now 3 weeks behind elections, but yeah, it could still be elections. Like elections bump, then have a huge drop lower, but like end of the week, and then that week really didn't do anything. Then have a full accumulation week, and then here accumulating again. Yeah, it could maybe again be accumulation still because of elections, honestly, but honestly don't know. But yeah, feeling bullish, Jimmy. I'm still bullish. Yeah, same thing for me. Like I marked out this singular busy here as well, and then from here we should just go to external here, and then from there I'm expecting to go higher until there. I don't have this marked out because that's already taken on yes, so it will just be a fixed TP, or yeah, trading towards the buy side up there, just here, which is yesterday's high, and then bigger time frame also bullish, so that would also make sense for us to go higher. Yeah, I see. But yeah, just waiting now. Yeah, oh yeah, same thing for me, Jimmy. Also this 50-minute busy. Also have this marked out, just waiting. Here's your entry coming. It is valid if we close above, but I really don't think. Like, if we want to close above, then we would already be for NQ somewhere around here. But ES looks so more bullish, like it's so much closer to this high. So once we close above, then ES will probably be, like, maybe already have taken the high there. So honestly, I don't really expect for this to even be happening or be forming here. But yeah, it would be. Would it be? Yeah, we do have taken equal loads on this, on ES. Let me check how much contracts it would be if we do want to close above. That would be like 5 contracts. Let me just check just to be sure. What is it? 5? Yeah, it would be 5. But honestly, I don't even expect for this to get close above. I think we'll create an entirely new structure. Like just slowly go up. Yeah, it would be an entry. You can see my top step, yeah. And if I take one more loss this day or one win, then I'll be done either way for this day. But honestly, like, wouldn't also surprise me if we have now a big push, and then we have like all of this accumulation build up. So it is going higher, but then, wait, where is it? Oh no, it wouldn't make sense yet, no. But like bigger time frame, like that wouldn't fit in that time frame. But yeah, accumulation still going higher, but accumulation, just accumulating. What is it? Just yeah, creating all these lows here. Then I have manipulation above all-time highs, and then I have a huge drop lower. Like I don't know when, but I know it is gonna happen. Like maybe not have taken the all-time highs, but yeah, I do know that once we will go lower, like it's gonna be a huge drop. Because you have so many lows here, we have perfectly equal lows here on ES, like it's insane. But when, yeah, I really don't know when that will happen. Yeah, that hasn't to do anything with where we're in now. Really can't find a reason for this. Yo, Nessie, which ICT mentorship you suggest me also? I know smart money concepts. Like if you're an actual beginner and want to learn from ICT himself, like the best entry level point to start watching mentorships would be the 2022 mentorship. I will go along here, by the way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me check just to be sure. Not entered yet. Yeah, okay.
Order filled.
Need to enter on that. And stop is at the low. And then this is going to be break even. And that's going to be break even. And yeah, we'll see. Yeah, the 2022 mentorship would be a great like entry level for ICT concepts. Like you already know SMC, but still, yeah, if you want to learn actually from ICT, like if you watch it and then see, okay, wait, I already know all these things like liquidity, the narrative behind why a price moves. If you already know all of that, then maybe you can jump into the 2023 mentorship. I really like the 2023 mentorship more, I would say, but 2022 mentorship is just like yeah, basic, I would say. So yeah, I'm entered here. My stop's on a low. Really big stop. Yeah, anyway. And this is going to be my break even. And what is it? That would be my break even. First CP will be at a 1 and 2 fixed, which is really, really bullish, or would be really, really far. But yeah, that's where it would be. And then 1 and 5 going to be full TP, or the market closes, or we do nothing and we get stopped, or anything could happen. But I'm already in this. I'm not a beginner, and 2022 looks so boring because I know basics. Then 2023 would be better. But I don't know if you know. I don't know if you know. Or I don't know if you mean like boring with like how I see lectures or how he teaches, or boring because you already know. Like if you think ICT 2022 mentorship is boring, like the 2023 mentorship would be even more boring then. I don't know if you mean that, but how do you set stop loss on TradingView? You do it with limit orders or stop orders. So let's say I'm entered in here with TradingView. Let me just enter on this. So let me just like I'm in with 5 contracts. So I would trade and then buy 5 market execution. How do I don't even know. This is new to. This is new now. So trade, create new order, market execution 5. So I'm in here. So you can't do this on a account. So my stop is going to be here, which will be a sell stop. Like if you're in a trade, I don't know if this is actually on here now. Yeah, so now, so it should be a sell stop. So if you're in a long, it's always going to be at the lows. It's always going to be a sell stop. If you're in short, then the stop at the high, of course, and then it's always going to be a buy stop. Need to reset this. What broker you use? I trade on TopstepX, the prop firm. I trade a challenge account through TopstepX. Doesn't look good yet, but yeah, I'm still in this. If we get stopped out on this, then maybe like I'll be on the charts half hour more, and then I'm actually gonna close it, because if I get stopped here, then I took 2 losses on the day, and then I walk away. Like, yeah, like we should go to these highs. Like we have all this liquidity up here. Okay, we do have an SMT up here, but still, like, these look all so good. But we'll see what happens here. I think this is going to be a stop, honestly. Can you show me an SMT? Yeah. So on the monthly here, like an SMT, okay, yeah, I can view it from here. So an SMT is basically a manipulation. Like it is like, you know, when price is like this, and then you have this, and you don't know if this is going to be a manipulation. But if it has an SMT, yeah, you also don't know for sure. But it means more than just a actual price leg higher, and then seeing this as the manipulation, versus if there's an SMT. Like if there's an SMT, you can actually see, okay, that looks like a manipulation. That is actual manipulation, because you can see it on here as well. So example for this, we're really, really bullish. There's no reason for price to go lower. Then you can see on this monthly candle, we have a huge drop lower. And then what it does here is NQ takes out the liquidity here, literally with like a few ticks, takes out the liquidity here. But you don't know if that's gonna hold if we wanted to go lower. But as soon as you see like, okay, we have this SMT holding, and still, because we're so bullish, the bigger time is so bullish, like there's no reason for price to go lower, then this should be, okay, this is going to be a bullish SMT. So from here, I'm expecting a reversal, and then you can see it happening nicely here. So swing low gets taken here on NQ. So from here, bullish trend would be higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a lower low. And here is a higher high, higher low, higher low, or higher low, higher high, and then a higher low still. And here makes a higher low, higher high, lower low. So, but you can see like the divergence in here. That would be an SMT. So yeah, let's see where we are in now. So yeah, honestly, this price action, really no idea what's happening here. This all looks so choppy, and I'm still, yeah, should be entering on this, so I am. But yeah, like we should really go for these highs. We'll see what happens. When did this? I don't know why this start. What is a manipulation? Basically, when we have structure, like there are many forms of manipulation. It's just tricking people into, okay, yeah, it's gonna go lower now, and then we go higher. Like it's doing the opposite of what you would think. So yeah, do I have any form of manipulation here? Like a power of 3 would be like, okay, a manipulation leg. This would be a power of 3. So we would have equal highs and equal lows. This would be a perfect example. You rarely see this. But we have perfectly equal highs here. And then we have perfectly equal lows here. So right there. So here, people that trade, like ICT uses support and resistance traders, he uses breakout traders, literally all the traders. Like it can be profitable, but he uses this basically against them. So what it means is, okay, support and resistance traders see this as, okay, there's resistance here. So what they have here is, okay, once we see this get tapped multiple times, I should move my stop to break even if this does get hit. If this gets hit multiple times, then support and resistance traders think, okay, yeah, this gets hit many times. So we'll from here, if we again on the third time, or I don't know how many times, but if that gets hit again, then I'll put my stop above this or above the high, because if we tap this, then this is going to be resistance for the price to go, for market to go lower. So there are people in with, they are in short here once this gets tapped, and there are also support and resistance traders here that go on here with a breakout. So once this resistance gets broken, so we trade through here, then they think, okay, I'm going along here because that support is no longer working. I'm going along here now. So they go along here as well. So also, and then also another thing, that would be like breakout traders here. So they would see this range here. And okay, so I'm going to go break even right now. So they would see this range here. And they would also see, okay, once we break out of this, then that means, okay, we're in this consolidation. We're finally out now. So the market should go higher from here. So what they do is they also enter in long here. They have their stops in the low, or I don't know where, but they are also in long here. And then all the liquidity, all those people are taking in long here. So all the liquidity has been taken. And then what the market does, it goes the opposite direction. Like it doesn't always have to do this, but paired with the narrative, like you could really see all those people getting into the market, and you can see the market going the other direction. So this leg, this to this, that would be your manipulation move higher. So this is just, there are many examples of manipulation, but that's just Simply explained, I would say. So yeah, I'm break even here already. My entry was at here, so yeah, break even is on here. I just started learning from the bootcamp. Who is bootcamp? So maybe you can see it happening here. I wouldn't say this really is a good example, but like equalize, equal lows, equalize, equal lows, we get a manipulation leg lower, another big one lower. All this liquidity has now been taken, and then from here they get all stopped out here. Like that's a simple example. Is there another good example? Yeah, and then like with an SMT that would be the same thing, but then the people would be stopped out on. Yeah, these are like, this is NQ, this is ES. 500 American companies are in here. 100 companies are in here, but these are the company same, almost every same company is inside of here as well. So once we have like the range and you have an SMT, so NQ takes out the highs and ES doesn't, then you could still say, okay, yeah, all those people got stopped out on those same assets, and that would be like, that's why an SMT would work in here. And then also you have it working on Forex, and because it's the same thing. Yeah, so I'm break even on this trade. Honestly don't even expect it for it to go to TP, because my TP is, we're now here, and TP is all the way up here. I am expecting for it to go all the way higher, to all the way to buy side here. Are you gonna get it today? I really don't know, but that's the target. So yeah, I'm gonna be setting a alert here. 21.12. That's all the way up here. Gonna put a sell limit on here, which will be for limit sell. TGR, nice man. Yeah, I think you can learn a lot from TGR in the bootcamp with like the psychology, but I don't know with the concepts. Like I really don't follow TGR really anymore. Like I do watch some videos, but I don't know how he trades. Don't know if it's really profitable. Don't know anything about his strategy. But I do know, because I did it myself. Like I did learn a lot of discipline and psychology, like good habits and psychology in the bootcamp. Hey, wait a minute, we're in the same trade. Really? Gonna have to order. Okay, gonna have to order. Nice, man. What are you gonna order exactly, Cold? Nice, Jimmy. Where is don't expect your entry. It's also be here. I was gonna make sausages and mash my potatoes, but have started sprouting. But yeah, nice reaction after these highs. Or nice reaction. I would like to see you go higher, but yeah. What is a break even? So I'm in a trade here. So let's say I entered on here, on this candle. My stop is on here. Then I'm holding until here. We obviously didn't get there yet. But you can see, okay, once this buy side get taken, same for me. Once this buy side get taken, I put my stop to break even. So my stop was here. And what I do now is I move my stop up all the way until my entry point. And that basically means, okay, now I'm no longer risking anything. So it's a risk-free trade. So that does like sound like really attracting, or yeah, attracting, because wait, what? I have no risk anymore. So I can literally hold all the way till here. Yeah, but like you do have to be catching that. Like it isn't that easy, but yeah, exact same. Wow, that's crazy, Jimmy. I'm about to get break even here, I think. My break even is at somewhere here. I'm about to be break even. 2090. 2 ticks higher. My break even is here. How do you recommend for me to start? If you really want to get into it, then I would start with the ICT 2022 mentorship, and then you really get the basics there, like really all the basics you need, and then really try to look for it in the charts yourself. Like after every video, you just look in the charts and see, okay, yeah, this is what he meant. And you could see repeating every time, like the stuff that he talks about, you can see it literally repeating in like every single day. Doesn't matter 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, doesn't really matter any time frame. You can really see it happening. And then from there, once you like understand that a bit, you can go to like other YouTubers, I would say, and they would explain it even better. But really for the narrative and the start, I would say ICT 2022 mentorship then. Price action in a 1 minute for very gap. Nice, man. Wow. If it inverses, I'll close my order. Nice. You if it inverses, I'll close my order. Wait, is it, where's your entry then? You mean this inversion, or the same one as this one? I'm already break even now. And yeah, we're about to get hit by break even here. Sounds good. I would finish TGR and then watch the ICT. Thanks for the tip. Of course, man. Yeah. And you could also, if you want, you can join the Discord. You can join through in the description. And then from there, like you could ask, like we have a lot of ICT traders. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. But you can ask questions in there, like, yeah, anything, man. Like here. Yes, there are a lot of ICT traders in here. Also traders that don't even trade ICT, but still you can learn everything from yeah, everyone. Where are you from? From Netherlands, man. One and two was where? Or all the way there. I joined Discord. Nice, man. Yeah, really, really ask questions. Like all the things you need, just ask them. Like it will be answered. Nice push up. Yeah, it's all right. We're still like at these lows. That's like my break even, but I'm still expecting for it to go higher either way. So we should just be bullish here. But yeah, like where would we be reacting off of? Yeah. Yeah, just these imbalances. So this 3 minutes singular busy. We're holding this still. My stop is just below the break even. It's just below this inefficiency. So maybe want to respect this. The wicks are doing the damage, so that would mean like, okay, we're still really, really bullish then. Or like the C has been tapped, but still. Just expecting from internal back to external and then again higher. We'll see what happens. I posted my entry in the Discord positions. Well, I really think that's the same though. Whoa, really the same stop as well then? You're not at break even yet then, Jimmy? We're really at in the same trade. That's crazy. About it, break even on this, but you're not break even. You're gonna, or you don't go break even, right? It's gonna be break even.
Order filled.
Yeah, break even there. It's around here. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be anything this session. Oh, wait. Well, I almost forgot. We have FOMC meeting minutes, of course. At 13:59. You got Phil slightly lower, I think. No, yeah, it was somewhere around here. So yeah, it doesn't really matter, but still. I closed my trade once that for rate cap got in first. I instantly closed for like nice, man, nice Jimmy. Would have been break even. Nice, that's good. Jimmy had a 50k or 150k account, right? Yeah, really curious what we're gonna do with FOMC mini minutes. So that's gonna be in 6 minutes. Yeah, what could we expect? Like, I would like to see us manipulate lower. That would be nice. Then taking out these equal lows. So this low and this low. We have resistance here. There are stop orders, sell stop orders below here. And then for NQ, yeah, maybe same thing. It is below that in efficiency, but could be nice as well. If FOMC meeting minutes pushes lower, then that would be nice. But we'll see. It's a 50k funnel challenge. Oh, nice. Is the... Oh, yeah. Now at my funnel futures, right? Whoa. Yeah, if my funnel shoots I've had it. Yeah. I understand that, man. Is it TopStep promo for Black Friday? TopStep promo? Is there a TopStep promo for Black Friday? No, I don't think there is. Don't think there is any promo. Three more minutes. Yeah, just waiting now. Yeah, where would we want to go? I don't know, maybe you have like a bigger time frame manipulation. We do have taken all, yeah, we have taken all the liquidity below here, but yeah, these still look like pretty nice, I would say, to being equal lows. Let's see, we have taken a range high then. Yeah, if we close below here, then that's going to be looking for shorts, but that'll be in 50 minutes again. But yeah, maybe you have like a bigger time frame manipulation, so go trade below these lows. And then yeah, I had like an Asia London distribution into the buy side up here, which that would also mean like a London going into all-time highs, which honestly don't really see a lot happen. See where all-time highs were. Okay, that is London. But yeah, when it pushed into all-time highs, I mean. Yeah, also London. Okay, yeah, I could, yeah. Have like a bigger time frame manipulation below these lows, and then have like a push in London. And then unfortunately tomorrow isn't going to be anything good. Tomorrow will be the last trading day for me, because there isn't anything on Thursday, bank holiday, and Friday there's no impactful news. But yeah, could be also. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't manipulate too much lower, stay inside the singular imbalance. Taking out these equal lows on ES, these look pretty good. Then from there create more structure and then go higher. We'll see. Leo was right, the market was going to move to the right. Yeah, he was right. I think in 15 seconds, once 2 p.m. candle opens, I think there is going to be a 1 minute candle. I think we will have a 1 minute candle. I think that will happen. But yeah, that's pretty, I thought that Leo meant at first like the market is going sideways, like consolidation, but okay, so this FOMC meeting minutes. Like it isn't actually a news fuller release, but still there still like always volatility injected. Maybe also because it's the 4-hour candle, but still like 1 minute after this, like there could be a crazy candle. So I would still wait here. But yeah, if there does form a setup, I will take it, but obviously there isn't yet. He jinxed us. Yeah, Leo. Yeah, that's like the woman candle after. Don't know what all this is. Let's see what we do now. Yeah, what is this? It's like a barcode. Yes, still going higher, and then NQ, like where is NQ? What is NQ doing? The Dow is pushing so high too. Oh yeah, what the hell? Yeah, crazy. The Dow is literally at all-time highs. Like what? Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, really never ever look at Dow actually. Looking at Dow, we have inverse this. We should go to all-time highs. Oh, taking all this liquidity. This would be my setup. Stop at the low. That would be my break even. Then expecting for it to be really bullish from here, but that looks nice. Taking out all these equal lows. Beautiful. Still have these equal lows here. Yeah, and Q did take them, but no volatility at all. Possible entry for me soon. Bullish or bearish? Bullish. Maybe no. Where it's gonna be like, what are you looking for now? Price is dumping. Was it on the retracement on there? Yeah, maybe this trend line wants to get taken. Don't know. Like, you can look at Powell speaking, I think.
Months, crazy how fast. Yeah, man, I know a lot of you.
Maybe not. CN. DC. No, I'm following them. They should be live then. Which they are.
Sorting through the problems may take time.
No. Yeah, you can see them speaking. Oh, you can. Or no, it's 2 months ago. No, you can't in this one. Pentagon briefing.
Significant in terms of aid to operations.
Wait, is this right now?
Yeah, and to this point again, I wouldn't say.
I don't think that this is. This. Don't know what it is. Price is so. There was a 1 minute for value gap and a 3 minutes for value gap. Oh yeah, this one then. Market equilibrium if it hit. We've gone long, but price just inversed it. Price so bipolar. Like, how would you know to enter then? Like, would it be with a limit order or just direction? Okay, we have now tapped equilibrium. Now I wait for this reaction and that would be a market execution, or like when do you know? Okay, yeah, now, like how do you prevent this then? Yeah, maybe want to go for these trendline lows. I don't know. It would be a bullish setup for me if we inverse this. So gotta be checking it that I don't miss it. Ten contracts. What? Yep. For there it would be, oh yeah, okay. Okay. Well. Yeah, what is this? Yeah. Yeah, maybe want to go for these lows. Yeah, what I said, then maybe go even lower, have a bigger time frame manipulation below these lows. We have also like have the low of the week on Monday. That's all the way here actually. Wow, what? This is all in overnight session. That's crazy. And then this is PM, or this is New York. So literally the Asia session was better than. No, I wouldn't say that, but London was way better. And then we still have this singular bigger time frame inefficiency. Yeah. Maybe that, I don't know. Because this is so choppy, then manipulation below these lows. Distribution, power of 3 inside of that. Like a standard deviation off of here. Wait, that would be. Yeah, that wouldn't make any sense. But ooh, that would be if you have like a manipulation there. Yeah, don't really. Oh shit. Oh shit. This will be an entry, but shit. Gotta be quick on this now. Really don't like this again, but yeah. 10 seconds. Don't think we even gonna be inversing this, but it'll be 7 if we do when I get it. Looking for another possible entry. Me too, Jimmy. That's funny. Yeah, we did tap like CE, doesn't really matter, but it's just a sensitive point in price. If you inverse this, you have taken out all these lows and still. It's a long, nice. Oh, no, I thought you were long. If this inverse, it's a long. Yeah, same for me. That's pretty funny. It doesn't know I'm going short. But when do you know, like when is direction? Like again, like a closure below this candle or this? Or when would be the bearish sign? I would say this is like pretty bearish, but yeah, honestly, don't trust this. Like I don't trust any of this. I'm not looking for shorts. What is this doing? There's crazy trend line on here. I didn't trust it either. I didn't enter. Nice. Yeah, it could still potentially be. Yeah, that was 7, yeah. Aviv, what do you trade? I trade the futures, NQ and ES. No, only NQ actually, but yeah. Use ES for the divergences. Yeah, Nasdaq, yeah. So only the Nasdaq MNQ or NQ. Just the difference in contract size. Or contract size, like the contract value, I mean. Yeah, what are we doing on here? Maybe over for these lows, yeah. We use the trend line get broken, trend line get used as inversion. No, I don't trade trend lines, but it is working here. Dropping all the way lower in a rush to this low. That short would have done good, yeah, but yeah, could also be a bad short, and then the longs would have been good. Like, yeah, it's really like, yeah, what do we really want to do? Maybe they take the sell side there now. Oh no, we didn't. We were about to. Okay, sell side has been taken on ES as well. Yeah, like I'm still looking for longs here, but don't think there will be a setup either way. But yeah, maybe you have like a bigger time frame manipulation or accumulation, bigger time frame manipulation, and then yeah, bigger time frame distribution in London, Asia and London session, which yeah, I wouldn't expect honestly. If we do inverse this both on ES and NQ, then I can be looking for shorts, but don't think ES will close below. But yeah, well, so yeah, I have a huge drop lower here. We do have an SMT dies. Yeah, it does look good. Like there could be, I do see some people trading this. Yeah, why not? It looks good for like an internal model. Look at this drop, crazy. Look at that. They honestly didn't expect it for to happen right now. This is a huge drop. Yeah. It's so relieving to see NQ do something right now. Yeah, that is true, yeah. Problem solved, I'm making a katsa curry. What is that? Wait, oh yeah, wait, what? Oh wait, yeah, I remember what you said, but I didn't even respond to it. What? I'm gonna get pork, bulgogi, and rice. I'm gonna look that up. Korean. Oh, that looked great, yeah. Okay, but you're gonna make katsa. Yo, hey, the futures. How are you, man? Katsa curry. Ooh, that looks good as well. With the chicken on top. Oh, we have taken the lows now. Possible reversal? Yeah, honestly, expecting that as well, maybe. But this is so, like, we have to create a lot more structure, and we only have 40 minutes still, but we have to create a lot more structure for it to go higher again. So are we gonna do it right now? Honestly, don't know. Could be, but don't think it will be. Standard deviation. Ooh. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. But then this has to be the low, which you probably know, of course. Maybe a bit lower, around here. Yeah, around there. Yeah, we have to create so much more structure. Yeah, still looks bullish, obviously, because of on a bigger time frame. But yeah, do we? Is this the right time? Do we want to move in the New York late PM session? I don't know. Wow, there's no way that's perfect. That's literally to the tick perfect. That must be random. That's crazy. 0.5 is crazy. And if we close below this, then it's gonna be looking for, let me check. Then we'll be looking for the sell side below here. And then for NQ, it will be looking for the sell side below here. But that would be this as a target for yes. If we want to close below in 5 minutes. But yeah, that would be crazy if you want to take, yeah, maybe drawn towards these lows. Like, do we take those lows and then go higher? Like, if you take these lows, then I'm expecting these lows as well. Which I don't think we want to take these lows yet after taking all-time highs, because there's no real reason for it to be looking for those lows yet, because we didn't take out any liquidity. Why did we want to go all the way higher to here and then go lower here? Like, what did we do? What did we actually do here? Yeah, I really don't know. Like, what could be... What do we want to do? Oh, if I keep this retraction block on here. So that's the reaction of today. And then on Q. Okay, that's an on NQ. Just looking at the bear time frame, like probably don't even wanna. But if you do want to close below this, yeah, it's gonna be looking for shorts. Yeah, it's 30 is a drop. Well, honestly, my God, Kurt, like now seeing your name, I literally forgot to look it up again. I'm gonna type it in my search bar so I can't forget. I went to my dinner, of course. Yeah, I was streaming until had a half hour and dinner. Okay, now I can't forget it. Like, there's no way. Use 30 is a drop for me with a stop loss above daily open. Is a drop for me. Short. Is a drop for me with a stop loss above daily open. Then here, or what? Or like daily open. What do you mean? Yeah, let's do tomorrow, of course. 2 more minutes for this. Doesn't look like we will. So it's still bullish from here. Yeah, around here, tight stop. You mean here? Daily open. What do you mean with the daily open? Like you mean 0 or 0? That was all the way right there. Or like what do you mean? So still respecting this. I do still think, yeah, no, I don't think we want to go lower, but I don't think I'm gonna get an entry this day. Still have our on the charts, but don't think there will be forming anything. They just step this new week opening gap as well. Oh. Looks cleaner, I think. Our price opened for today. But what do you mean? Like the New York Open or the True Day Open or True Day Open? So that was right here. Are you stopped on this or what do you mean? I see. What is the? What do you take on here? Was it a 1 minute? Or like a 5 minute? Trying to know where your entry was. Or where guessing where it is. Yeah, we're chopping here again. Oh, we do get a nice traction on the yes again, and Q again falling behind. Would be like this would be my setup in here. But yes, already took out this high where I would be break even on 1429, and that was right here. So that was also the closure buff would be here. Yeah, I missed this, but again, that would be break even. Like I wouldn't even try to enter this. But I don't think we're gonna do anything here. I think we're just gonna be inside of this singular gap here, and then yeah, yes, obviously it looks like it's going higher than that, but I think we're just gonna close the day inside of here. Or yes, just wants to go for the buy set up there and then like a push without anything. That'd also be a thing, but just a weird day overall, I would say. That 0.5 is pretty accurate, I would say. There's no way that this is perfect. What the hell? What? That's crazy. That must be random also. 0.5 standard deviation, 0.5 standard deviation. That's crazy. Crazy. I would see people entering on this and then this would fail. I already know I'm not trustworthy. Uh, 44,747. Oh, my cell, okay. Oh, I thought it was there. Four seven. Here or was it earlier? Or was it here? 9:30. Where did you my cell? You entered on 9:30. And wow, that was a nice drop. Or I thought you meant you were in that right now. Well, actually, it is actually crazy the standard deviation on there. Like you could play so much with these standard deviations. This is like a couple points. Close. Yeah, it's like it probably isn't random, of course, or that it, of course it isn't random, but yeah, how are you gonna take a trade with that? Because it isn't always that accurate. Like, oh yeah, I'm targeting this high, but yeah, does that mean that we're gonna take it today? Like, where's the entry? Also, that could be a nice indication. FEG. No, I'm not entering on this. I started shorted at 44806. Wow. Then booming up beacon on opening straight into profit. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Yeah, FEG. Like, what do you mean? Like FEG my entry, or FEG what is an FEG, or? Or yeah, you of course know what FEG is, but no, nothing for me. No FEG entry or anything. No. Would be a nice singular 2-minute here. Yeah, no, 1 minute. Yeah, like 1 minute, 2 minute. Like, I look at singular for rally up. So we have a singular busy here. Or we have a busy here. We have a busy here, and then I just look at the 2 minute, and then we have a singular 1 busy here. But yeah, it's like the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, so that's probably gonna be the day. Yeah, 20 more minutes, but yeah, I don't think there's gonna be forming anything. The only thing is there is like a CB that we create here. Well, we have this drop lower and these equal lows. Yeah, I have an inversion in here. And that would be my entry. Then it's gonna be a 1-1 fixed break even because ES already took out all those highs. Or not all of them, but that's gonna break even. First TP, final TP. That's the only thing that could be still an entry for me. Don't think it will happen, but I think I'm just gonna end it here. Really don't expect anything, and if there's gonna be forming a setup like crazy, like I would say I didn't have the patience for that, but like I do have the patience, but just like I'm not expecting anything. And I'm gonna get the trade now, otherwise it's gonna be a half hour later. Or we suddenly have the quick to here, and then know that there is gonna be a setup. Took the 2 minute IVG2 to data highs and nest. Nice, man. Oh yeah, that's like the difference. If you took it on NES 100 and you took the IFEG here, then this wouldn't have been hit here, but then it would be hit on like, I think it got hit on NQ. Yeah, it did get hit on NQ. It didn't get hit on NQ, which is crazy. Like, yeah, sometimes happens. Okay, wait. One more candle, and then if we create a CB on here, we took out the equal lows, and it could still be an entry. Nice, Matt, but nice Matt. Let's see if we create a CB on here. Yeah, Jimmy, maybe one more opportunity. But yeah, I do want to catch this train. fully close it in, then I know there isn't going to be set up like 15 more minutes. Like, what's the chance? But okay, yeah, there's something. Yeah, gonna end it here. Yeah, good night, guys. Jimmy, thank you for watching. Matt, thank you for watching. Aviv as well. Kurt Marin. I have Kurt Marin. I have it in my search history now. And then a few other people watching as well. Crazy. Thank you for watching. Gonna end it here. Have a good night or a nice day. Don't know where you live. See ya. See you guys. Bye. Thank you, man. Thank you, Jimmy. See you, man.